Dylan Faust, Grow It Yourself Mushroom Kit. I created a mushroom growing kit to promote sustainability and bring healthy eating directly into Australian kitchens. The kit is made only with used coffee grounds, taken from local businesses who would otherwise throw them out. This prevents the waste of not only the nutrients in the coffee grounds, but a waste of the energy used to compost the material. Extending the life cycle of the coffee, I've taken this material and turned it into a food source for oyster mushrooms. These are gourmet mushrooms renowned for their taste and nutrition and can be sprouted from the kit within 10 days of misting with water. The box is labelled using a coffee ground dye and can be 100% recycled. Introducing these mushrooms into Australian homes will promote healthy eating and help combat the growing obesity rates among our society. The recyclability of the kit's materials will contribute to a sustainable Australia.